I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix the problem of your CapCut not being installed on your device. So if you're trying to download CapCut and it's not downloading, by the end of this video, that problem you is check your internet connection if it is fast or not. Sometimes due to slow internet connection, app just does not download. Not just CapCut, any app does not download on your phone due to slow internet. So make sure your internet is fast. Make sure it's at least above 10 MB per second or 5 MB per second minimum. 5 MB per second, and it should work. And even if you have fast internet connection and it's still not downloading, the other thing is make sure you have sufficient storage available to download CapCut. So CapCut has like minimum level of storage required. I don't know how much that is. You can Google it to know, but make sure you have enough storage to download CapCut. And even if you have enough storage to download CapCut and it's still not downloading, then what you can do is restart your phone and try to download it again. By restart, I mean switch off your phone, switch it on again, and it should work. If it didn't work, what you can do is hold on your Play Store icon and go on App Info. Once you go on App Info, over here it's going to show you this. Over here, click on the three dot at the top right corner. Click on Uninstall Updates. It's going to uninstall all the Google Play Store updates. And go on versus Storage. Go on Clear Data. Click on OK. What this is going to do is this is going to clear all the data of your Google Play Store. After you do that, you want to go on your phone setting. Once you go on your phone setting, you want to go on the storage section of your phone setting. And on the storage section, you want to go on apps. And on apps, you want to find Google Play Service. Click on it. Once you're over here, go on Manage Space. Once you're in Manage Space, click on Clear All Data. Click on OK. What this is going to do is this is going to clear all the data of your Google Play Service. And basically, once you open Play Store, you have to log in into your account. Again, by account, I mean your Google Play Store account. Once you log in into your Google Play Store account, it's going to open up just like this. Once it opens up just like this, what you can do is click on the search icon and search for CapCut. After you search for CapCut, click on CapCut Video Editor and then click on Install. And your CapCut Video Editor should install on your phone. So that's how you guys can fix your CapCut not installed.